Let's run through some best ways to manage your tasks inside of Slingshot. So when you come into the My Tasks section up here, one of the first things that you see on the top is assigned tasks. These are any tasks that are assigned to you anywhere in Slingshot. So that can be in your personal area, it can be in any workspace, or it can be in any project. So regardless of where this task lives, it's assigned to me and it'll show up within my assigned tasks. This means I'm able to get a full view of my workload, and I can view it in a way that works best for me, where I can use things like Kanban view and timeline view and calendar view to view my particular tasks that I have. Within your My Tasks are where you can also create your own personal tasks. So these are tasks that maybe they don't relate to a particular workspace or project, but you need to make sure that you get them done, such as 30, 60, 90 reports, or maybe setting your yearly goals and things like that. You can create different lists in here to organize your personal tasks, and then you can also assign outside members to these tasks if you wanted to. So if you have maybe one on your direct reports, and it's kind of just like these one-off type of things that you need to get done, you can also assign them tasks out within your personal area. Within your filters, you can see your weekly priorities. So this will be anything that is overdue or is due this week or needs to start this week. So this is designed to really help you manage your work week ahead. You can also see anything for yourself that is overdue. And then you can also create your own filters here where you can get different types of views created for yourself. Like maybe you wanted to see all of your tasks that were due this month or anything like that, you can create from here. And we'll dive into how to create filters in one of our other videos for filtering.